is the interface of the ABEG account. In this ABEG account, you can top your wallet, you can ask for funds, you can make transfer, you can pay for your bills and your other utilities, and you can recharge. There are so many things you can do with this app. So I'm going to show you how to open up this, how to set up your own ABEG account. Okay. Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. I am Mr. Nnamdi James. In this channel, I teach affiliate marketing, how to make money online, personal savings. Okay, so now in today's video, I'm going to practically show you how to open a ABEG account. I know some of you might not really know what is a ABEG account. A ABEG account, they are one of the people that sponsor Big Brother Nigeria. So I'm going to practically show you. Someone requested that I should teach that he want to know how to open a ABEG account. So in this video, I'm going to practically show you how to open a ABEG account. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I teach affiliate marketing and how to make money online. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first thing to be notified. So this time, I'm going to take it to my phone. I'm going to show you exactly how to open the account, how to add your BV, and how to add your personal information. Everything will be done practically in this video. Okay. So now let's begin.
So hey, welcome back. So just like I said, when you go to Google Play Store, you click on your Google Play Store, then you go to the search bar. I want you to watch at the direction of my mouse again. You type ABEG, ABEG, ABEG app, APP. Then you click on the search bar. So you just allow the app to load up. So you can say this is the app. So all we need to do now, we come to this place that says install. Install, you click on it. Then you download and install the app automatically. Then after that, then we have to create a fresh account. It is very, very easy. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In those places, I do product review. I teach people how to do things online and make money. Okay, so I can see the app has started downloading. The app is about 12 MB, so let us just give it time for it to finish downloading, and after downloading it will automatically install itself. Okay, so as you can see, the app has finished downloading, so it is automatically installing soft game. So let's just give it some time for it to load up. Okay, installing. So all we need to do now, I'll take it to my phone. Then I have to search for the app. Then this is the app. Let me show you the app. This is the app. As you can see, this is the ABEG app. This is the app now. So I'll just click on the app. Then we'll have to sign up. Okay, it is very, very easy. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do this thing. I'm not just going to tell you to go and download the app. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. That is why it is very, very important for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I teach affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So you come here, send and receive money. So after that, we now click on, we flip on it. Then we click here that says create fresh account. Here that says create account, we click on create an account. Then select your country of origin. Just allow it to load up. It's very, very easy. Nigeria. Then I have to choose Nigeria. And after choosing Nigeria, okay, then I have to click on next. There you can see you receive. So we'll send you a notification to make sure that it's your number. So you have to type your Nigerian number. So my Nigerian number is plus. My Nigerian number is 080 69 24 70 28. So I click on next. That's how easy it is. So we just type in our number. Please enter the code sent to this code. So please enter. So they are going to send us an OTP code. And let's just wait for the OTP code to arrive. It's very, very easy. This is the OTP code. So we just copy the OTP code. We just copied it and we'll come to this place. This is the OTP code. Have to paste it. So we'll now click on next. So we just paste the OTP code here. Here say what is your name. So here you have to type in our first name and our last name. So let us just do that, okay? So I type in my first name and last name, and then I click on next. That's how easy it is. You see, here it's telling me an ABEG tag is your unique name for receiving cash. So all I come to this place, I'll just type my ABEG this thing now. A kind of a unique code. So I'll now click on next. So in this option, after creating your unique kind of code, when your unique name, when someone wants to send money to you in your ABEG account. So here now they say create PIN for your account to secure your ABEG transactions. Now here that says 6-digit PIN. The other place that says 4-digit PIN. For the 4-digit PIN, okay. So for the 4-digit PIN, so I'll have to create the PIN. So I'll just insert the PIN. Okay. So let me pause this video again and insert my 4-digit PIN. Okay. So I just inserted my 4-digit PIN. I'll now click on next. So now they want me to retype the 4-digit PIN again. So I'm going to pause this video again and retype it again. The 4-digit PIN. Then I come here. I click on next. So I'll just wait for my account identity verification to help us. So in this place now you have to input your BVN. I told you that this app is very secure. So we'll now click on here that says BVN. You click on it. So we have to add our BVN here. Putting my BVN here. After inputting my BVN here, then I'm going to click on this place that says next. Okay. So because my BVN is something I cannot expose my BVN. Okay. So all right. So I just added my BVN and I click on next. So the thing is saving it. So as you can see, look at what they tell me. After inputting my BVN details, they told me what they told me. You can access the phone number. You see, so now they are going to, after inputting my BVN, I was being notified that they are going to send me a code for me to input it for them to be able to be sure that I'm the owner of the BVN that I just entered. Okay, a code will be sent to the number to verify you are the owner. So in this place now, I'll just click yes. They told me I should enter the code, and this is the code that they just sent to me. This is the code they sent to me. So I'll just copy the code. After copying the code, I'll just input the code here. This is the code. So this is the code. I'll now click on next. That's how easy it is. Your identity has been verified. Okay, that is how easy this is how easy it is. Okay, then I'll now click done. Enable notification. I'll now click enable notification. This is just my account. I've just created my ABEG account. That is how easy it is.